In today's video, I'll show you how to add an AI chatbot to your Wix website. An AI chatbot can instantly respond to visitors, answer common questions, and improve user engagement around the clock. To get started, log into your Wix account and head to your Wix dashboard. From there, open the App Market, which is where Wix stores all its add-on features and tools. Once inside the App Market, use the search bar and type Wix AI Site Chat. When the app appears, click on it and take a quick look at the features to make sure it fits your needs. Then click Add to Site to install it. The setup is automatic and doesn't require any coding, so the chatbot will be added to your site in just a few moments. After installation, you'll be guided through the setup process. This is where you can customize the chatbot to match your brand. You can set a welcome message, adjust the tone of responses, and decide what types of questions the bot should handle. Taking a few minutes here helps ensure the chatbot feels natural and useful for your visitors. Before publishing, test the chatbot by asking a few sample questions, just like a real visitor would. This helps confirm everything is working correctly. Once you're happy with the results, publish your site updates. And that's it. You've successfully added an AI chatbot to your Wix website, giving your visitors instant support and a better overall experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Wix tutorials.